Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amex savings account, secure fix step by step clearly. To log into your Amex savings account, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type americanexpress.com and press enter. Wait for the American Express homepage to load completely. Locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields to enter your user ID and password. Input your user ID in the designated box. Next, enter your password in the appropriate field. Ensure that both entries are correct to avoid login issues. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the Forgot User ID or Password link. Follow the prompts to retrieve or reset your credentials. Once you have entered your user ID and password, click on the Login button below the fields. Wait for the system to verify your information. If successful, you will be redirected to your Amex account dashboard. In case of an unsuccessful login, check for typos and try again. If you continue to experience issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance. Make sure your internet connection is stable throughout the process for optimal performance. Remember to log out of your account once you are finished, especially on shared devices. This ensures the security of your financial information. Now you are ready to manage your Amex savings account efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.